You need to hear this if you love weird wild travel. Assam's got secrets. Skip the usual. These three are next level. Hello friends and subscribers of Travel with Chander. First, Jatinga Lamphu, the infamous bird suicide village. Between September and October, migratory birds fly erratically after dusk and sometimes crash into buildings. Scientists still debate why. Observe from a distance. Next, Haflong, Assam's only hill station at 966 meters. Think rolling hills. Dimasa culture, a buzzing Saturday market where tribes trade goods and stories. Finally, Thuruk, the coldest spot in Assam near Haflong and the state's rare snow zone. Pack warm and add these three to your bucket list. Hit subscribe for more offbeat India trips.